In a faraway land, there exist tales of dragons, wizards, heroes, monsters, and beings that are only thought to reside in the farthest depths of the imagination. However, there is one tale, a myth as some call it, which reigns above all other tales. It is a legend, a mystery, which has survived the ravages and the ravines of time, nesting in the laws of numerous nations. The very mention of it strikes awe, fear, and envy in the hearts of men, so much so that kings of old have sought to possess it at all cost. It goes by many names. Some call it La Gioconda, while others say La Joconde, but here we call it the Mona Lisa.
There's a damn queue here to see the stupid picture. And my mission has been accomplished. Yes. Perfecto.
Alright, all in all, my final opinion. Actually, I thought the Mona Lisa was
Lame!
Disappointment.
It's a bad joke.
Very small.
I was slightly disappointed. Or I was entirely disappointed.
First of all, I am neither a professional art critic nor an artist. However, I did not like the Mona Lisa because in my estimation it's bland. I've seen many other paintings that look far more pleasing, more captivating, and have more depth, visual texture, composure, and this is by far not a masterpiece. Its only glory is having survived the ravages of time and history, and even that in and of itself is not a remarkable feat, to be honest. And finally, I can't fathom why people value it so much. I suppose it's just one of those collective thoughts that people seem to share or value for whatever reason, or just to appear a part of the higher class society. I don't know.
I don't know what I expected, but I thought I am going to see one of the most spectacular, if not the most spectacular pieces of art, and it was just meh, you know? But nonetheless, that is my opinion of the Mona Lisa. But still, if you'd like to see it, I encourage you to go and visit the Louvre. And if you enjoyed this video, as usual, please like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you next time. Ciao.